Hey Griddle Nation, my name is CJ. I'm the Blackstone Bartender. And did you know that you can measure the age of a shark by counting the rings on its vertebrae? Well, now you know. What's that have to do with cocktails? Nothing. But it is Shark Week, so we're celebrating Shark Week by showing you how to make a deep sea cocktail concoction called the Shark Bite. Let's do this. For this cocktail, we're gonna start off by incorporating all of our ingredients together in a shaker. So first we'll add some ice. Then we are going to pour in spiced rum, white rum. Next is blue curacao and sour mix. Shake this up well and we're ready to assemble our cocktail. And did you know that each whale shark's spot pattern is just as unique as the human fingerprint? Moving on. Then we're gonna grab our glass, add plenty of ice, and pour our contents over the ice. Also, did you know that sharks have no vocal cords, so they make no sounds? That's why they call him the silent killer. On to our grenadine. This is the fun part that gives the cocktail its name. Since the density of the grenadine is different than the other liquids, it sinks to the bottom and has a blood in the water look to it. Boom, we are celebrating Shark Week in style. We got our facts on point and we got our cocktail on point. As always, guys, please be sure to leave some comments down below of stuff you'd like to see or learn about in the future. If you're making these cocktails, please be sure to post photos. We'd love to see what you guys are coming up with. Also, for this recipe and more, please be sure to visit blackstoneproducts.com. I am CJ, your Blackstone bartender, and until next time, cheers.